Hey guys, it's Eric G from Around the House Show. I wanted to introduce you to one of our new sponsors. Monument Grills was founded by three good friends in Atlanta, Georgia that wanted high-quality, durable grills inspired by iconic monuments. The grills are created for the person who loves to cook and are built to last and to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. What I love is that they are the best quality grills for under $900. So check out the American gas grill experts at monumentgrills.com. I bet you'll love to cook on one like I do. Check out the new standard in outdoor cooking at monumentgrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on Saturday on the next 2 hours of the Around the House show. We talk foundation repair with RK Bob Brown, the Dirt Whisperer, and in the second hour, talk about a new system that controls your indoor air quality with home tech expert Jim Carroll. In the second hour, we discuss the top 10 ways bad contractors can scam you in 2025. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast so you don't miss an episode.
If you need foundation repair, this is the episode you must listen to before you get started. RK Bob Brown has 35 years in the foundation repair industry. And as an innovator and inventor, he has designed a bunch of things for your home. He is the Dirt Whisperer.
So,
Correct.
In fact, when you go to pull permits, the only requirement that the city has for the engineer to put his seal to is a spacing calculation for piers. All they want to do is make sure you're not putting them too far apart so that the house droops between the piers. It's not that hard to do. A monkey could do that calculation. It's super easy. Most of the time it's either 6 feet or 8 feet, unless it's a really old house without rebar in the footings or something. But the fact of the matter is, you could have...
We talked with Jim Carroll and Sendal. Sendal is a healthy home solution that connects your smart devices to create a home that works and adapts to your lifestyle. Check it out.
Transition over to heat pumps, high efficiency HVAC systems, right?
Oh, yeah.
Part of that process, the AC is running a lot less.
Mm-hmm.
And then guess what happens? Now we've got a high humidity, right? And then we can lead the mold, which leads to poor indoor air quality, right? So I saw a stat the other day that something like 80% of U.S. households live in climate zones that should have active whole house dehumidification, right?
Think about that, guys. 80%.
Yeah, that's a big number, right?
That's a huge number. And as we put smarter systems in, and this is one of my biggest complaints with building code out there.
All that and more on Saturdays Around the House Show with Eric G, heard on any podcast player. And don't forget, you could be listening to the show right now. If you are an Around the House insider, you would get the show 48 hours early. So Thursday, you could be checking out the brand new episode of Around the House. And you get all the back catalog, up to 1,000 episodes. Thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you on Saturday, either way. And don't forget, we have a brand new episode of Around the House Northwest on Saturday. You can stream it at kptv.com and just look for the Around the House banner across the top of the page. Or you can stream it live on the KPTV Fox 12 app on any mobile device. As always, thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you Saturday. Hey guys, it's Eric G, and I have a special offer for you. Do you want to get the podcast a couple days early? How about extended content that isn't in the typical podcast? Maybe you want to check out all the back episodes of the show. And I got a special deal for the first 10 days are free. I want to personally invite you to be an Around the House insider. For about $4 a month, you can get exclusive extended episodes, early access to the weekend show, and exclusive access to me, Eric G, for project questions or comments. Check on the link on your podcast player in the show notes, or head to aroundthehouseonline.com and look for the join here button. Make sure and sign up today. As always, thanks for tuning in to Around the House.